Welcome back to Math Defined. I'm Mrs. C. Have you ever wondered how fast a roller coaster travels or how much something costs per item? Today, we're exploring rates and unit rates. Let's break it down step by step. First, let's break down the key difference between a rate and a unit rate. A rate is a ratio comparing two quantities with different units, like 180 miles in 3 hours, or a half a pound every 5 days. A unit rate is a special type of rate that compares a quantity to one unit, like 60 miles per hour or 1/10 pound per day. Let's learn how to convert a rate into a unit rate. Let's say that a roller coaster is traveling at a rate of 100 feet in 2.5 seconds. How fast is it traveling in 1 second? We'll start by writing this rate as a ratio in fraction form, 100 feet over 2.5 seconds. We want to know how fast it is going in 1 second. We will use this equivalent ratio to find the number of feet per second. Dividing 2.5 seconds by 2.5 equals 1 second. So we'll divide 100 feet by 2.5 as well. This gives us 40 feet. So the unit rate is 40 feet per second. Now let's talk about something delicious, charcuterie boards. Suppose you use 1/2 pound of cheese every 5 days. How much cheese do you use in 1 day? First, we write the rate as a fraction, 1/2 pound over 5 days. To find the unit rate, we need an equivalent ratio with a denominator of 1 day. Dividing 5 days by 5 equals 1 day, so we'll divide 1/2 by 5 as well. Dividing fractions means multiplying by the reciprocal. 1/2 times 1/5 equals 1/10. So the unit rate is 1/10 of a pound of cheese per day. Now, let's go shopping. You're at a grocery store and you want to buy some pineapple juice. You have a choice, $4.80 for 6 cans or $6.56 for 8 cans. Which one is the better buy? We'll find the unit rate for each to find out. We begin by writing the $4.80 for 6 cans as the fraction, $4.80 over 6 cans. We want to know the price of 1 can. We divide 6 cans by 6 to get 1 can, and then $4.80 by 6, which equals 80 cents, or 80 cents per can. Now let's find the unit rate for $6.56 for 8 cans. Dividing by 8 equals 1 can, so we'll divide $6.56 by 8 as well, giving us 82 cents, or 82 cents per can. Comparing the two unit rates, 80 cents is less than 82 cents, so $4.80 for 6 cans is the better buy. See if you can find this unit rate on your own. A person is typing 297 words in 5.5 minutes. How many words per minute is that? First, write the rate as the fraction 297 words over 5.5 minutes equal to the equivalent fraction with a denominator of 1 minute. 5.5 minutes divided by 5.5 equals 1 minute. So we'll divide 297 by 5.5 as well. 297 divided by 5.5 is 54 words, or 54 words per minute. That seems pretty fast. For comparison, the average typing speed is about 40 words per minute, and a professional keyboard typist typically types around 100 words per minute. Now, that's amazing. Sometimes, to find a unit rate, we need to multiply instead of divide. Let's say you're feeding your plants, and the plant food comes in a concentrated form. You need to dilute it with water. The given rate is 5/8 ounce of plant food per 1/4 pint of water. How many ounces of plant food do you need for 1 pint of water? We will write the rate as the fraction 5/8 ounce over 1/4 pint and set it equal to 1 pint. Since we have 1/4 of a pint, which is less than 1 pint, we need to multiply by 4 to equal 1 full pint. So we'll multiply 5/8 by 4 as well. 5/8 times 4 over 1 equals 20 over 8, which we can simplify to 2 4/8 or 2½ ounces. So the unit rate is 2½ ounces of plant food per 1 pint of water. Rates and unit rates are all around us, whether you're shopping, cooking, or feeding your plants. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video helped you out. And until next time, keep math awesome.